Popcorn. A simple yet versatile snack that has been enjoyed for generations, a blank canvas for flavor. Whether you like it sweet, salty, or savory, popcorn can be transformed to suit any taste. Air-popped, it's light and airy, perfect for those who prefer a healthier option without sacrificing that delightful crunch. Add butter, and you've got a classic. The rich, creamy taste of butter elevates the humble popcorn to a new level of deliciousness. But for true indulgence, cheese popcorn reigns supreme, that irresistible cheesy coating, the satisfying crunch. It's a flavor explosion in every bite. Movie theaters know its power. The allure of cheese popcorn is undeniable, drawing in crowds with its mouth-watering aroma. We crave that salty, cheesy aroma. It's a sensory experience that tantalizes the taste buds and brings joy with every handful. But you don't need a ticket stub to enjoy this treat. Cheese popcorn can be made right in the comfort of your own home. Making it at home is easy and fun. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a delicious batch of cheese popcorn. Let's get popping and enjoy this delightful snack together. To embark on this cheesy adventure, you'll need a few key ingredients. These ingredients will help you create the most delicious, mouth-watering popcorn you've ever tasted. Don't worry, they're probably already in your pantry. Let's take a look at what you'll need. First, the star of the show, popcorn kernels. These little gems are the foundation of our snack. Make sure to choose high-quality kernels for the best results. Next, a good quality oil for popping. The oil you choose can make a big difference in the flavor and texture of your popcorn. We recommend using coconut oil or canola oil for a light, crispy finish. We're going for flavor, so butter is best. Melted butter adds a rich, savory taste that pairs perfectly with the cheese powder. Now for the cheesy magic. We'll use cheddar cheese powder. This is what gives our popcorn that irresistible cheesy flavor. You can find it in most grocery stores or online. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Salt helps to bring out the best in all the other ingredients, making your popcorn even more delicious. You can even sprinkle in some garlic powder for an extra kick. This adds a subtle, savory depth to the flavor profile of your popcorn. Once you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to mix them together. Make sure every kernel is coated with the cheesy, buttery goodness. Now, you're all set to enjoy your perfect bowl of cheesy popcorn. Ready to make some popcorn magic? Let's get started. Today, we're going to transform simple popcorn into a cheesy, savory delight that will have everyone asking for more. Whether you're preparing for a movie night, a party, or just a cozy evening at home, this cheese popcorn recipe is sure to be a hit. First, melt your butter in a large pot. Use about 2 tablespoons of butter for a rich, buttery flavor. Make sure the pot is large enough to accommodate the popcorn as it pops and expands. We want it nice and melted for maximum flavor. The butter should be completely liquefied and starting to sizzle slightly, which means it's ready for the next step. Once the butter is hot, add your popcorn kernels. Use about half a cup of kernels for this recipe. Pour them in slowly to avoid splashing the hot butter. Make sure they're spread out in a single layer. This is crucial for even popping. If the kernels are piled on top of each other, some may not pop, and others might burn. This ensures even popping and prevents burning. Take a moment to spread them out evenly with a spoon or by gently shaking the pot. Cover the pot with a lid and listen for those kernels to pop. The sound of popping will start slowly, then increase rapidly. This is the exciting part. Shake the pot gently while the popcorn pops. This helps distribute the heat and prevent sticking. Be careful not to shake too vigorously as you don't want to spill any hot butter. This helps distribute the heat and prevent sticking. Keep shaking the pot every few seconds until the popping slows down. Once the popping slows down, remove the pot from the heat. This usually happens when there's about a 2-second gap between pops. Be careful, as the pot will be very hot. Carefully pour the popcorn into a large bowl. Use a spoon to help guide the popcorn out if needed, to avoid any hot butter splashes. Now, for the cheesy goodness, make sure you have your cheddar cheese powder ready. You can find this at most grocery stores or online. While the popcorn is still warm, sprinkle over the cheddar cheese powder. The warmth helps the cheese powder stick to the popcorn, giving it that delicious cheesy flavor. Add a pinch of salt and garlic powder to your liking. These additional seasonings enhance the flavor and give the popcorn a savory kick. Gently toss the popcorn to coat it evenly. Make sure every kernel is covered with the cheesy, savory goodness. And there you have it. Your cheese popcorn masterpiece is ready to enjoy. And there you have it. a bowl of golden, cheesy deliciousness. It's warm, it's crunchy, and it's bursting with flavor. This recipe is perfect for movie nights, game days, or just a satisfying snack. You can even get creative and add your own spices. So go ahead, grab a bowl and dig in, you've earned it.